What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I am here with the F36 440 series Grand Coupe, and yeah, that's a carbon fiber piece right there, guys. So thank you, Kies Motorsports, for sending me this part. I'm gonna install it, but you know what? While I'm installing it and figuring out just how it fits and all that stuff, I'm gonna get those grills and plastic dip it. Meanwhile, I get either a plastic one or a carbon fiber grill. So, because I can't stand this chrome. I'm not a fan of chrome at all, so I gotta get that swapped out. So meanwhile, I'm gonna plastic dip it, let that dry. Meanwhile, I work on this carbon fiber piece and make sure it doesn't fly out. Oh, and I gotta remove those plates because it doesn't look good. So right off the back, you're gonna have to remove this weather guard all around, and you're gonna be using a torque bits that's right here. Yes, right there. There's a few of them all around, and let me give you the exact measurement of that. So what we're gonna be doing is using a T30 torque bits, and we're gonna be removing each one only on the top side. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we got all the T30s out. Now, interestingly enough, BMW just loves to do this to us, right? There's one right there that's still connected to the front part of the grill. That's gonna be a T20. So I have my T20 here, and I'm gonna remove them right now. Okay, so what you wanna do essentially is pull this down, right, and sneak your hand in there. And what you wanna do is grab, let me see if I can show you. There's a clip, which I already undid, which is right there. This right here, right? It's a clip you're gonna have to push in, and then with your other hand, grab the grill and pull towards you. Not too hard, but essentially you're gonna be able to pull the grill out, right? And you see right here, exactly here it is. This pin from the inside, you have to push down, and then from here, pull towards you. But be careful, because I'm sure that these grills have not been off since I got the car. So, or actually since the car was released from the factory, there'll be no reason to remove the grill. So it may be kind of snug. I mean, my hand got pretty beat up just by sticking my hand in there, but essentially that's what you want to do. So let's go ahead and remove it, and I'm gonna show you just what the outside of the rim of that grill looks like. All right, guys, so we got it off. And as you can see at the top side, you have these pins that you're just gonna have to, again, push down, and then you're gonna have to pull the grill towards you, and that's basically how you remove it. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, just about 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 7, 8 of these all around. There's about 8 of these all around, so just be careful how you do it. You don't wanna yank too much from one side or you might break the grill. So I started from the top side and I pulled it off, and then I worked my way from the bottom, and then the sides just came off easily after that. So let's go ahead and remove the second one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and plastic dip it. All right, guys, so we got both grills off. As you can see, yeah, it hasn't been off in a while. You know, now that I'm here, I kind of want to take care of my V-brace, but I'm still trying to discover what color theme I want to go for. So I'm going to leave those black as is. I think once I upgrade my kidneys to like carbon fiber and do this whole process again, I'm going to wrap those, and I don't know. What color do you guys think I should go for? Leave a comment below and let me know what color you think I should wrap these V-braces in. I'm open to suggestions. Well, anyways, I'm going to paint these with plastic dip. Where are you at? There it is. So I'm using just a regular can of plastic dip. You can pick it up at AutoZone or some auto hardware stores. Home Depot even has them. So yeah, I'm gonna paint these, leave them out to dry. It's a pretty hot day right now. And yeah, you see even the pup thinks that I should take care of it. Okay, yeah, he doesn't like it either. All right, guys, so let's paint these, and then meanwhile these are drying, I'm gonna go and put that carbon fiber lip that's sitting on top of my car because I was just kicking it all over the place. And yeah, I know, this grill plate is gonna come off, guys, trust me. All right, guys, so far it's looking good. It's curing at the moment. Gotta make sure nothing rests on it. I'm gonna have to do another coat over here. For the most part, it looks great. Just gotta do a few more coats, make sure it's solid. And meanwhile, you know, this carbon fiber This carbon fiber front lip looks phenomenal. I removed the plate already because it was just disgusting. It doesn't belong in the front, guys. There's literally no point. Anyways, front lip is there. I'm gonna do a fitment test and see how that looks. That way I can correlate where to put the 3M tape. So let's see how that looks. Holy cow, guys. This looks, holy crap. I mean, it's held in by my, you know, my drill, but for the most part, my gosh. This looks so clean. I mean, look at this. It changes the whole front look of my car. Wow, I love it. So right off the back, it's snug over here. So I'm gonna have to put 3M tape here, one there, one in the corner. Same thing on that side. And you know, it didn't come with drilled holes, so I'm gonna have to drill at least one hole in the front, and then one over there, and then one over there, to make sure it does not fall off, because this thing, gosh, I love how much it sticks out right here. It's like a full 2 inches that it just sticks out of the front. So it just looks so aggressive. I love it. So let's put the tape on it and see how it's gonna go. I might also have to like pre-measure the holes on the sides. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm debating on using the OEM screws on the sides. So this is all just speculative. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of I guess just recon to make sure that this thing does not fall off. So anyways, let's get to it and see what we discover. So what I'm gonna do is make a hole right here, make a hole in the center, and the other side as well. So that way I could use these screws right here, which I basically made up, to just, you know, bolt on to the side and give me more support in the corner. And in the middle, I'm gonna use these OEM bolts that came off my old bumper of the F30, and hopefully it doesn't go up too much on this end where it sticks out inside of that grill guard. So anywho, let's get to drilling. All right guys, so what we did is we put 3M tape all over this front part of the bumper as well as the other side. So you know, I'm tempted to put some on the sides just because I know that this will rest on it, but I just don't know if it would be flush. So I'm not sure if it's a waste. I am tempted to put some on this side just because, you know, there is this part of the carbon that fits here. So I'm debating, I don't know. But so far it looks great. I'm just gonna reinforce the tape a little bit and then, well, put this on and start bolting it on. So let's see how that looks. All right guys, so it's finally bolted on, and I gotta tell you, it looks immaculate. It looks amazing. The fitment, you know, it's never gonna be 100%. I mean, over here it fits pretty good, but it's just, you can obviously tell. And over there too, the corners. So it's never gonna be an exact 100% snug fit. I mean, I could see why, because if they measured it even by a millimeter off, it would be really hard for it to stick on. So anyways, I'm happy with it. Super excited. I mean, look at that lip, how much it sticks out. It's amazing. It fits really well. So I'm gonna put everything back. The grills are dried out. So I'm gonna put them on, make sure they look good. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the final product once it's done. So let's do it. All right guys, well there you have it. This just looks beautiful. I love it. I mean, it's wow, I'm without words. I mean, my whole entire front end just completely changed and it looks phenomenal, especially with the murdered out grills, because I wasn't a fan of the chrome, so that got taken care of, and also the front lip got installed. So pretty stoked. Let me show you another view. I mean, my gosh, guys, carbon just looks so amazing on these cars. I mean, gosh. So, you know, I can't wait to get the front grille carbon fiber as well, but for now, I mean, just look how it sits. It just looks so aggressive. I love it. So huge shout out to Kies. Thank you so much for bringing this to me. It looks phenomenal. Guys, if you want any carbon piece to your car, hit up Kies Motorsports. Let them know that you saw this video, and I'm sure they can help you out. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next week, family.